Hi everyone, welcome to the STAT programming. Today I'm talking about one of the CDISC standard ADaM about the ADaMIG packages. As you might know that currently we already have three ADaMIG packages, which is 1.0, 1.2, and 1.1. So you may be wondering why CDISC. It is required. It is required by regulatory agencies such as FDA. For example, any studies which were initiated after December 15, 2016, um, the datasets submitted have to be compliant according to CDISC standards, which means that in the future, almost all studies need to be submit the dataset according to the CDISC standards. So that's why CDISC is really, really important. So where we can find the information. So you just need to go to this official website for CDISC. So this is the CDISC official website. It's better that you first register a free account and then log in so that you can uh, have more access to most of the resources at this website. Otherwise, you cannot download most of the resources here. So, so you go to standards. There are really many standards. Today we're talking about ADaM. So go to ADaM, and then here you can see the three release packages. The first one is 1.2, which was just released around 3 months ago. And as you can see, there are many files in these release packages. The first one is ADaM version 2.1, which was released in 2009. This file has not been changed since that time, since the first release of version 1.0. And also you have this updated ADaMIG version 1.2, and this one stays the same as the 1.1, and this one also stays the same as 1.1. As a programmer, we usually focus on um, these files. The first one, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth, and also we need to check this one, the conformance rules. This is the most frequently used one. So the general idea is that when someone said your dataset has to be ADaM compliant, for example, to version 1.2, this means that your dataset are not only uh, compliant to the IG, but also all these files need to be considered in order that your files, your dataset are compliant according to the ADaMIG version 1.2. So this is a release package. It is a whole package instead of only one file. So you have to consider all the files. So currently the 1.2 is just released, and it may take some time for the industry to get used to it. So currently most common uh, version is 1.1, which was adopted quite well by industry. You can go through each of these packages on the 1.0. If you want to see the detail, just click and download, and you can see the details.